Rocks and you. How to identify rocks.
Hey, mister, what kind of rock is this?
Why, that's a sedimentary rock, Jimmy. Sedimentary rocks are composed of hardened layers of sandy or clay-like stone. That's why they look like they have stripes sometimes. They may have fossils and water or wind marks as well, and are mostly brown to gray in color. You can also identify sedimentary rocks at first glance if the little pieces look glued together by a surrounding cement, or if they are varying in size, shape, and composition as opposed to simple minerals.
Today in school we learned about something called Igneous Rocks.
Ha ha ha! That's Igneous Rocks, Jimmy! They're classified based on the size and composition of their constituent mineral crystals. As a general guide, the longer the igneous rocks take to cool and crystallize, the larger the mineral crystals will become. You can tell igneous rocks at first glance if the minerals of the rock are crystallized and fused together with no surrounding element. Some well-known types of igneous rocks include granite, rhyolite, andesite, diorite, obsidian, and basalt. Some igneous rocks have clearly defined crystals, while others have a smoother texture because the crystals are less visible. There are two smaller texture categories: glassy and vesicular, which contain holes caused by bubbles that are formed in the hardening rock. Identifying metamorphic rocks can be more challenging than identifying igneous or sedimentary rocks because they can still look similar to their source rock. Some metamorphic rocks are layered and others are made up of grains. Quartzite and marble are granular. They do not have layers of material. Schist is a layered metamorphic rock. Texture is divided into two groups. Foliated textures show a distinct planar character. This means that the minerals in the rock are all aligned with each other. This planar character can be flat like a piece of slate or folded. Examples of foliated metamorphic rocks are mica, chlorite, and feldspar. Non-foliated textures have minerals that are not aligned. Calcite, carbon, and quartz are all non-foliated metamorphic rock types.
I think I finally get all this rock stuff.
Swell! After all, it's just rocks and you.
Presented in Zazovision.